Hey everyone, my name is Joel Hansen, and I'd like to share with you three LinkedIn hacks that you probably don't know. Whether it's within your own career or trying to be more creative on personal projects outside of work, LinkedIn can be a great resource to do just that. So here's three tips to help you be a bit more impactful when you're using the tool. Firstly, posting time. Since it's not a leisure tool like Facebook or Instagram, LinkedIn is most viewed actually in the mornings during the week for professionals. So when you're sharing a story, an article, or a video, be sure that you're posting something within that time bracket to maximize the reach. Number two, using photo and video to amplify the reach of your post can be another great tip. Since other marketing tools are growing in the way that they use visuals like photo and video, in that same way, LinkedIn is favoring posts with photo and video to be pushed to the users rather than just text. So ensure to keep that in mind, whether you're sharing a video you've done in the past or grabbing a photo from online that can better articulate what you're trying to explain. Tip number three, use hashtags to have your posts noticed on the platform. LinkedIn is a mix of online and personal editors that help distribute content across the platform. Over 9 billion views or impressions are seen across the platform every week. And these hashtags actually help discern which content should be seen where. So if you're talking about something regarding to a career or to marketing or to HR, ensure to use hashtags that are particular to that topic so that the message can be noticed. Those are the three big tips. I hope you found something new. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or drop me a note on LinkedIn, and I hope to see you around.